Just look at him, how carefully everyone is listening to him. Yes, this is our Pablo. He's motivating people around him. He's motivating everyone. Look at all of them.
Purpose, para mag-inspire ng mga tao, para ipakita kung sino tayo. So, gusto ko kayong pasalamatan. Katulad ng sabi ko Jay, ito na ulit.
Everyone is there. I can see Terry Jong is there.
Hindi pa to ang wakas. Patuloy ang pagtatag.
Everyone is appreciating, clapping. I'm so proud of him.
Pagtatago, please! 1, 2, 3! Pagtatago,
Wow, what a
please!
moment.
1, 2, 3!